I've been posting every day, I think, for like the last couple weeks, and I've been basically learning my process for vlogging. Obviously, all the shots are kind of awkward because I'm basically like recording myself, but I don't do the voiceovers until the end of the day. And at the end of the day, I don't remember everything I thought about for the last 12 hours. So I started jotting my thoughts and observations as I think of them so I don't forget. Tuesdays are always really early days because I wake up around 5:20 in the morning because I want to go to the gym, and then I have to go to my weekly networking event, which today was in person, which I hate in person, but it must be done. But to be clear, I do not hate networking. I was supposed to do legs today, but I did them yesterday so I could just squeeze in a short arm workout before the networking event this morning. It's funny, when I was actually doing this exercise, I thought I was going down so slow on the eccentric, but now I'm watching this and I realized I wasn't. Walking over to the networking event, passing by people in cubicles, wondering, I wonder what that's like. Got back to the office around like 9:30 in the morning, start my day. Honestly, this felt like absolute chaos. Like this morning, I wasn't like moving huge rocks in the business, but I had like tons and tons of really small detailed shit that needed to get done. All in a couple hours because we had to go to a shoot later in the day. So what do I mean by minute details? I mean reviewing data like row by row, reviewing individual pieces of content, which means nitpicking every pixel in a video. And if you're wondering, am I picking my ass? No, I'm just keeping my hands warm on the left side. Once I finished the admin, I pretty much hopped on a call, did a few things to help my co-founder, and then bum rushed it to go pick him up to go to our shoot. The shoot was super fun today, working with a longtime client, and like, yeah, he's a client, but it's not just about doing the work. It's about like who you get to work with. Like, he is just so much positive energy and like a bright part of our day. Early on, we had to deal with so many people that just did not bring that kind of energy, and I'm just like really grateful that we get to work with people that bring us energy. My co-founder needed a shelf for his water bottle. He thought that the tripod would be good for that. Got back to my co-founder's office around 4 o'clock and pretty much finished a call. Then I finished some more admin, got done around 5:30. Like, as someone who transitioned from tech for 15 years to doing my own thing in a creative outlet, I can't believe how much work there is involved. Like early on, like in our first year, you're just trying to literally figure things out. I won't go into detail into what that means, but I'll just put it this way. You're making 1,000 iterations. You're taking 1,000 tries just to see if one of those things works. So it's very cognitively exhausting, but over time, as you get better with your iterations, you have a higher success rate, and this pretty much applies across the board. And then to finish my day, I do some steps in the hallway while I talk to my wife.